Okay, we are trying to do board swapping for iPhone 11. We've prepared the board. So the first thing we are fixing is the logic IC. Set it in place, and then with rework station fix it in place. It's connected. Tap a little to be sure. Yes, it's connected. Then we turn the board. We turn the board to the other side so that we can fix the CPU. All those legs that are missing are not useful. So we confirmed to see that all of them were not useful. So put paste on the board, soldering paste, not too much and not too small, just enough to fix the CPU. So trying to pick the CPU, setting it in place. It's already on the board. It's a A13 CPU. So that's how I'm trying to set it in place. I want to be sure everything aligns very well, not just to fix it, not just to do an experiment. I want the phone to work, so I want to be sure it is properly set. I'm just being too meticulous, I guess, but I think it's worth it. It's okay, at least. And this is where my cameraman is looking around. I don't know what's looking for. He's just looking around. Okay, so I'm trying to fix the CPU in place with rework station. Being very, very meticulous. That was the board from which I transferred those components. I think the cameraman showed it again. Okay, the CPU is fixed. You can see the board from which I removed them. Now I want to fix the memory. So the board swapping is actually it's just three components that I swapped. The CPU, that's the brain of that's the central processing unit of the phone. That's where everything is coordinated. The memory, that's where everything is saved. And the logic IC, that's the connection between them. So without any of them, the phone will not work. So if I change the memory, it will require that I flash it. So that's where I'm trying to fix the memory with rework station. So like I said, if I swap the memory, it will require that I copy the underlying file on the previous memory to the new one, and it will mean that I will have to flash the phone and the information on the phone is gone. If I swap the CPU, the phone will require that I flash, but I can't activate it, and the file is gone. If I swap the logic IC, everything is gone. So we need the three of them. This is where I'm trying to test the board. I have not coupled it with the baseband board. I have connected the screen, and I am trying to fix the DC. So and after fixing the DC, I check to be sure that there's no short on the board. You can see there's no any current intake, 0.000. So that one that is blinking is actually normal. It doesn't mean anything. And this is when I'm trying to turn on the phone. I have to turn on with a tweezer, and the DC is telling me the phone is about to on, and it's on. That's a successful one. I have not coupled it with the baseband board, you can see. So waiting for the phone to boot, just to be sure that it's not restarting, at least just to make sure it boots completely. Waiting for the phone. The DC is telling me that the phone is booting. You can see the current is changing and it's increasing. So as more IC are being turned on, and the phone is on, testing to see that it's touching. I don't know the password of the phone, so just press some numbers and delete them back. So everything is working. this is a successful one.